Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, I'm Kit and I'm from Africa, Kenya, particularly in the Rift Valley region. And today I'm going to show you on how we keep the little chickens here in the village. So make sure you consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed to this channel, so that we can keep on growing together, guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how we feed the little chickens, and these are the little children over there, as you can see. As you can see, they are almost 10 days old. Guys, and this is how we do it here in the village. Okay, my guys, what do you think in the comment section? Make sure you leave a comment and also subscribe to this channel. This channel is still new, and so we are keeping going on, guys, and hope we will go on together. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't, so that you may find new videos as you click to this channel. So I love you guys, and I love you more and more. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.